Life's journey often leads us to new beginnings, be it the aftermath of heartbreak, the thrill of a fresh career, or the resilience after tragedy. Today, we unravel the art of starting anew, with courage as our compass and determination as our guiding star. Take a deep breath. Inhale courage. Exhale fear. Starting over isn't defeat. It's a canvas waiting for the strokes of resilience and the colors of dreams. Every setback is a setup for a comeback. So let's rewrite your story with determination as our ink and optimism as our parchment. Unlocking freedom is your declaration of independence from doubt, fear, and limitations. It's about sculpting the masterpiece of your life, revealing the true essence of your being. As you stand on the threshold of change, preparing for your new life becomes the pivotal first step. Whether driven by a desire for transformation or compelled by unforeseen circumstances, envision this phase as the foundation upon which you'll build the life you aspire to live. Gather your courage, embrace the unknown, and engage in the deliberate act of preparation. Consider what you want from this new chapter, lay the groundwork for resilience, and recognize that every effort you invest now is a brushstroke on the canvas of your future. Here are the effective ways to reduce your worry. Number 1. Careless about what others think of you. In life, we often encounter the challenge of realizing that we cannot control the opinions or judgments of others. External factors, including what people think of us, are beyond our influence. When we become excessively preoccupied with how we are perceived, it creates a barrier to living freely. The constant worry about our image constrains our ability to navigate life with authenticity and spontaneity. Trying to please everyone is an unrealistic goal that often leads to feelings of isolation and disappointment. The reality is that individual preferences and expectations vary widely, and trying to meet everyone's standards becomes a laborious and futile endeavor. Embracing our uniqueness and making choices that align with our values and aspirations allows us to live more fulfilling and authentic lives, unburdened by the impossible task of pleasing everyone. Number 2. Be honest. Honesty is the key to liberation. When we weave a web of lies, it entangles us, restricting our freedom. It's essential to acknowledge and identify the falsehoods we tell ourselves and others. By embracing sincerity and truthfulness, we pave the way for genuine connections with trustworthy individuals who can relate to our vulnerabilities. In being honest, we not only free ourselves from the burden of deception, but also open the door to meaningful relationships built on trust and authenticity. Number 3. Stop focusing on the bad. Stop dwelling on the negative aspects of life and free yourself by turning your attention to the possibilities. Rather than fixating on things that cannot be changed, channel your energy by reflecting on what steps you can take to bring about positive transformation for yourself and others. By adopting this proactive mindset, you will find an increased sense of freedom, allowing you to create the life you aspire to. Embracing the idea that your efforts can have a positive impact not only on your own existence, but also on the lives of those around you, you empower yourself to pursue a more fulfilling and meaningful journey. Number 4. Do what you're good at. This advice suggests initiating exchanges of your skills with individuals who are proficient in areas where you may lack expertise or find less enjoyable. By engaging in this skill swap, a positive cycle is set in motion. As you collaborate in trade skills, not only do you enhance your own capabilities, but you also contribute your strengths to the mix. Getting healthy involves making positive changes to improve your overall well-being. This typically includes adopting a balanced diet, engaging in regular physical activity, and maintaining good mental health practices. Here are some steps to improve your health. Number 1. Exercise. Engaging in exercise has the incredible ability to release endorphins, which can significantly uplift your mood. Moreover, maintaining physical fitness ensures that you have the strength and stamina to pursue the activities you desire. It's crucial not to let health concerns limit your freedom to do what you love. Instead, choose an exercise routine that you genuinely enjoy, making it a fulfilling activity in itself rather than merely a means to an end. By making exercise enjoyable, you're more likely to stick with it, promoting both physical health and a positive mindset, ultimately granting you the freedom to lead the lifestyle you aspire to. Number 2. Laugh and smile. Smiling can change how you feel. Try to laugh every day, even if it's at your own funny thoughts. Watch a funny movie, go to a comedy show, or do something that makes you laugh. Laughing and smiling are like superheroes for your immune system and make you feel better by releasing happy chemicals called endorphins. When you laugh, your brain knows you're happy, and it puts you in a great mood, ready for whatever comes your way. Number 3. Enjoy the sunshine. Spending time in the sun not only brightens your day, but also lifts your mood. Head to open spaces, go for a walk, connect with nature, and spend time with people. Just remember to stay sun safe during the hottest months by wearing sunscreen and taking necessary precautions. Enjoy the natural warmth and positivity that the sun brings to your day. Number 4. Have a good time with your friends. Spending time with them can boost your empathy, making you feel more understood and improving your overall well-being. It also releases endorphins, those happy chemicals in your brain. Plus, being social with friends has been proven to increase serotonin levels, which is important for your inner well-being. So go ahead, connect with your pals and enjoy the positive vibes. Number 5. Go for a walk. Head outside, start walking, and keep going without a specific destination. Embrace the freedom of a walk with no particular direction or goal in mind. Sometimes the joy is in the journey itself. Thank you for joining us on this transformative journey today. In this video, we've explored the keys to unlocking true freedom, a roadmap to living your best life. As you embark on your own quest for liberation, remember, the power to shape your destiny lies within you. Here's to unlocking the doors to your freedom and creating a life that resonates with joy, purpose, and fulfillment.